Welcome to AsterSpring Great Skin Solution. My name is Elaine and today I will share with you a home DIY solution you can use in the comfort of your own home to achieve great results using professional products and technologies. With a hectic work schedule, sometimes my skin becomes dull and I even forget to apply sunblock. So today I'm going to share a simple home DIY that you can use to help achieve glowing and a more vibrant skin. So let's start! Cleansing is the first step in my daily skin regimen to prepare skin for absorption of high-performance products. To start, I will use pre-cleanse. This highly cleansing oil helps melt away all impurities and makeup. For my second cleanse, I'm using special cleansing gel. I like to power this up by mixing in daily microfoliant, which is a gentle scrub. Add water and mix them into a smooth paste. For best results, I use BT Sonic from the USA for 8 times deeper cleansing than manual cleansing. My skin feels and looks instantly brighter with a more refined skin texture. For stronger exfoliation to treat dull skin, I use Rapid Reveal Peel. Skin renewal tends to slow down as we age. Consistently exfoliating helps remove dull skin, improve my skin texture, and allow better absorption of products. This light gel helps to deliver maximum strength exfoliation to my skin. It gives my complexion instant transformation with Phyto Exfoliating Complex. Just leave on for 7 minutes, 1 to 2 times a week. My skin feels immediately smoother, brighter, and more lifted. To relieve my tired eye contour, dark circles and fine lines, I use the Biocellulose Eye Mask, a 3-in-1 solution. This restores smoothness and firmness after 15 minutes of application. Stretch the sheet mask firmly over the eye contour. For instant brightness and nourishing action, I will use this refreshing Vitaltime Biocellulose Sheet Mask. It promotes instant recovery for my skin. This is such a quick pick-me-up treatment. Stretch mask firmly over face contour. No more tired skin and eyes. My skin feels deeply and instantly refreshed despite experiencing daily environmental and lifestyle stresses. To help promote deep repair and boost skin function amidst my hectic work schedule, I opt for Phyto Stem Cell Serum. This serum powers up skin rejuvenation. I also need all-day protection from a good moisturizer. Skin Smoothing Cream helps keep my skin hydrated up to 48 hours and protects my skin microbiome. SPF is important to protect our skin against harmful UV rays and blue light exposure, which can accelerate skin aging and pigmentation. To finish my home care routine, I will use Invisible Physical Defense, a non-chemical soothing sunscreen. My skin feels absolutely grease-free, non-sticky, and with no visible patchiness. So, it's simple, right? If you're interested to get this set, you can visit any of our AsterSpring centers or dermological kiosks, and you can find your nearest location in the description link below. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and also click the bell button to receive notifications every time we upload a new video. Let's achieve great skin health together. See you soon! Bye!